Just go away.
Tree fort is closing.
The tree fort is closing. Goodbye, boys.
All right, boys, you're just in your little fort now.
Boys.
And I'm not 7.
Hey, be nice in there. Be nice in there.
Sounds kind of
I
violent.
want to go. Look, go.
Hey, can I come in?
No.
Why not?
Yes. This boys. I says this boys.
Just boys in there? He's gonna go in there. But he doesn't want to go in there. Can I go in, or are you going to be at a club by yourself?
Bye bye.
Hugh, why don't you want to go in?
Hugh, do you want to go be in his club in there, the germ station?
Nobody's coming in.
Hey, Jacob, how does it feel to be the only member of your club?
No club, This is not club.
This is not a club. It's Pirate Station.
Oh, hey,
You didn't realize who it was.
how about you? Who's this video? Bye-bye, then.
Bye-bye then. You've got a big booger dripping from your nose. I'm going to get some Kleenex for it.
Hugh, why don't you get in the pirate ship?
Hey, can I stick a Kleenex, boy?
Here you
Thanks.
go.
Here you go.
There you go, you're in.
Oh, they're in the pirate ship. Hey, Jacob, where are you guys going in that pirate ship?
To Coronado.
Coronado.
That's how down.
I don't know. He escaped. Narrowly escaped.
Hey, Hugh. Hey, Jacob, Hugh. Boys. Hey, guys, what are you doing in there? Playing in the tent? Kind of boring.